Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. The worldwide, the freelancer seller, the Fiverr new update, the Fiverr freelancing market, recently new update, the pricing update. You must be change pricing your gig. Acts like basic 5, 10, 15, change the Fiverr pricing 15, 25 and 50. You can recently update the Fiverr marketplace, the whole worldwide, the freelancer, outsourcing job, home job, how to make money, all thing, the online income, the Fiverr marketplace, the big marketplace worldwide. The lot of freelancer, how to make money, gain the Fiverr marketplace. Please request them, all freelancer, brother and sister and worker, home job, online worker, the Fiverr marketplace worker, please, the newly update Fiverr marketplace, the fiverr.com, change the price. 5, 10, $15, the newly Fiverr minimum basic price 15, standard 25 and premier 50, but minimum basic 15, you like your decision, the high price, set up your work system and rules, as like social media marketing, social media management, YouTube SEO, YouTube marketing, YouTube, etc. You are the final judge, your judgment and others gig, choose the change, matching the price. The Fiverr, the newly update, the last, your basic Fiverr rules, the $15 basic, standard 25 and premier 50. So you are the high skill hand, you 25, 15 then change $30, standard basic $30, standard $50, premier $125, etc, etc. But must be lowest, the basic price 15, standard 25, premier 50. Please, the all freelancer, brother and sister, the whole world, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, Asian, European, African, all brother and sister, the job and Fiverr marketplace, please change your pricing by Fiverr newly update. I am again the Fiverr newly update, the basic $15, standard $25, premier $50. This pricing not match your gig, the Fiverr, unfortunately your gig hidden. You're not worth the marketplace. Please recently change your Fiverr gig, Fiverr application, etc, etc. You are a skill hand, you are capable, but you basic $50, standard $100, premier $150, same your uses, but lowest $15. Okay. The best of luck. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. The whole world, Muslim and non-Muslim and others regional, all peoples, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. Best of luck, my brother and sister. Please change your Fiverr pricing, your matching the Fiverr gigs. Thank you. Best of luck, everybody. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.